Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you the May 2022 Celebrating in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. I know it's a little bit delayed, but I'm going to show you some alternatives for this. So when we open up the kit, here's our instruction sheet as we always do, and the designs are for 5 different cards. You can see them all here with the 5 different envelopes that come with it. And this all goes with the new in colors for this year. So we have Starry Sky, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide, Sweet Sorbet, and Parakeet Party. And that's the inspiration for all of the designs in this. Okay, it also comes with a stamp set there, some mini dimensionals, some tear and tape. There was various dies. Okay, these ones here were for a little pocket that could go inside. Some other dies. These were just a little bit extra that I had. And some more here. There was these embellishments in the 5 different colors. And then here were the envelopes that came with it. So there was 2 of each color. There you can see all the colors there. So first I'll show you the designs that the instructions were for. So this was one. And another one. Okay, just for you could be used for a variety of things. You make me happy. And you can do anything. And with this one here, I put the little envelope inside for a gift card. It's a little gift card holder that you could put in there. So some of the alternatives that I did for this. So I used some of the stamps and dies, and I just put some of the dies, the color dies in the Parakeet Party on an angle. Another one, again, using everything that was in the kit. The only thing I did was added a different stamp from another set, from the Big Wishes. This one here, I just used one of my circle dies, punched out a bunch of circles from the little gift card pockets, and just made kind of a fun pop of color. This one here was made just with dies. Just using the happy stamp going all the way down, and these are all 5 colors of the in colors, and then I just added some birthday as well, and then this one is another one. So just some easy variations of what you could make with a paper pumpkin kit. So I hope you enjoyed this video of showing you alternatives to the May 2022 Celebrating in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. Please subscribe to the channel, and happy stamping!